Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my MAMAMOO gogobebe inspired design. Start off by painting your index and pinky nails a yellow gold and all of your other nails white. Make a black outline a few millimeters in from the edges of the nail. Use black paint or polish to write 99 in the center of the nail. You can follow the same steps for the pinky nail and just flip the 99 upside down so that it makes a 66. Add a black circle with a cross in the center at the top of the nail and then seal it in with a top coat. Make a yellow circle at the top of your nail, following the shape of your cuticle. Add some drips below the circle and then fill the whole thing in with yellow. Use black to make a smile following the drips that you made. Add 2 black X's for the eyes. Seal in your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around your nail. On a makeup sponge, make a gradient with medium blue, dark purple, magenta, and aqua. Dab it onto the nail and repeat until it's opaque. Immediately remove the liquid latex. Make a black outline a few millimeters in from the edges of the nail. Fill the center in with a black and silver glitter polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use the same colors from the gradient on the last nail to make an outline around the thumbnail. Continue using the same colors to write MAMAMOO in the center of the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!